Hello friends, today by this video I want to give you a message on mental health. So in today's life, when we have a hectic work schedule, devastated relationships, a lot of stress surrounding us, mental health becomes as important as physical health. And mental health is not only about schizophrenia or depression and all that. It can have mild symptoms in our life like feeling low, feeling negative, feeling frustrated and stressed out. So, how to deal with that? Some days back, I read lines from Honorable Ratan Tata कि अपने बच्चों को चीज़ें हासिल करना मत सिखाओ, बल्कि जो चीज़ें हैं उनमें खुश रहना सिखाओ. And I think that is the true mantra of life. The best way to deal with this is acceptance. Accept that those things which you do not have, maybe they are not meant for you, they are not destined for you, because we spend a lot of time thinking about those things which we don't have, and we actually miss to cherish the assets that we have. So sometimes when you feel low, just ask some basic questions from you. Do you have good health? If you have it, you are the luckiest person in the world, because many people in this world who actually have everything, they are just fighting for their health, so they absolutely have nothing. Do you have enough money to run a smooth life? If you have, you are very lucky. Do you have children? Do you have your children settled? Means they are married, they are doing good careers. If they do, you are happy. You are lucky. If you are of an old age, do you have your grandchildren? They are the blessings of life. Do you have your healthy atmosphere in your house? So that does not mean that you have a very caring, very healthy relationship with everybody in your family, because we have different mindsets, we have different thoughts, so we might have conflicts, and that is absolutely normal. But it is like, by end of day, do you feel happy to come to your home? Do you feel a healthy, a happy environment at your family, a caring person in your family? If you do, that means you are very lucky. Some days back, I saw a video of a lady asking someone that कि सुबह हम निकलते हैं अपने घरों से, घर का काम निपटा के, सुबह जाते हैं, ऑफिस का काम करते हैं, घर आते हैं, घर के इतने काम पड़े होते हैं, ये सब करते रहते, रात को हम थक हार के सो जाते हैं. इस सब में हम हंसते तो है ही नहीं. इन सब से हमें क्या मिल रहा है एक्चुअली? एंड दैट इज़ ट्रू, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट गिविंग 5-10 minutes ऑफ योर डे टू थिंक वॉट यू हैव अचीव्ड फॉर द डे. आपने 5-10 मिनट भी अपने आप को नहीं दिए खुश रहने के लिए, ये सोचने के लिए कि आपके पास क्या है, आज आपने क्या अचीव करा है, क्योंकि आप तो नई चीज़ें अचीव करने में इतना बिजी थे, राइट? सो आई थिंक वी शुड ट्राई टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन आवर सेल्स, टू fill ourselves with content, to enjoy our life, to feel positive and happy. Some examples are, when we come home from a tiring job, we sometimes curse it. We say, my life is so frustrating. But do you think there are so many people who are fighting to get that job? Or there might be some people who have jobs but they are not earning as much as you are. So you should be very blessed. As ladies, we feel that we have a lot of household burden on us. And in Indian scenario, it's very common, like 80% of the load of raising kids, of doing utensils, cooking, everything, ladies are doing. So it is not about feminism or anti-feminism. It's just like I'm putting my thoughts here. I feel by doing so much for our family, we are creating a very important place in our family, where everyone is connected to you. You are a hub where everyone just tries to reach you for their problems, because you are the one who is owning everything. So you should be blessed. So that's all. So stay happy, stay positive. Thank you.